Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to walk you through how to use the Raise Alpacas habit tracker, a fun and motivating way to build your habits with adorable alpacas by your side. Let's dive in. If you're accessing this sheet on your phone, you might find you can't edit it directly. No worries, just make a copy of this sheet and you'll be all set to start tracking your habits. When you finish, you can hide this tab to make your spreadsheet look cleaner. Now let's get started. First things first, let's set your start date. No need to wait until the beginning of the month. Start now means you're already ahead in the game. Next, add the daily habits that you want to track here. You can see the total number of your habits here and also the completed and incompleted habits in the date. As you check off each task, you see your abacus start to grow. The more consistent you are, the more your abacus flourish. And also you can see the chart above it. It's a delightful way to visualize your daily progress. And you also can see your monthly progress through the bar chart and the percentage here. Next is the weekly habits section. You can add your weekly habits here. And when you finish one habit, you can tick this box off and see your progress through the sparkline here. Next is the monthly habits. It is divided into two sections. The first one is monthly habits and another is the monthly goals. It functions similarly with the weekly habit, but in this case, you can track your progress through the Alpacas. Moving on to the mood tracker. Tracking your mood is very important as it helps you better control your emotions and be more positive. In this template, you can track your daily mood using cute icons that represent various detailed emotions. Additionally, you can see the total number of days you've experienced each emotion. Next, let's talk about sleep tracker. Getting better sleep can improve your health, skin, and memory. I have included 10 modes for you to choose from, ranging from 1 to 4 in red color, indicating insufficient sleep. 5 to 6 and 9 to 10 is represented by yellow, which means it's relatively okay. 7 to 8 is considered the best length of sleep, which represented by green. You can also input your bedtime if you want. Moving on, we have the water tracker. Drinking more water is beneficial for your skin and can help you with losing weight. With this tracker, you can input the amount of water that you drink and the glasses will be automatically filled accordingly. Finally, we have the reflection section. Reflection section is crucial as it helps you better understanding yourself and finds ways to improve. Here you can write about what went well and what didn't go well. When you are ready to start a new cycle, just duplicate the template and then you can rename the tabs if you want. Then you can choose a new start date. But you don't need to delete your habit or your data manually, but you can use a delete button here, and it will delete all the things in 1 second. Before we wrapped up, I wanted to let you know that the Raise Alpacas tracker comes in 3 colors: Raise Caramel Alpacas, Matcha Alpacas, and Pinky Alpacas. Each one is available for just around $3, and you can get all 3 for $5.99. And as a bonus, you will receive a habit tracker featuring growing cherry blossom trees. The link to purchase is in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy tracking!